Hi, welcome. I have a question for you. Are you attracting the right things in your life? Are you attracting the things which you want in your life? Or are you attracting the things which you don't want? That's right. Most of the people in our life this happen. We want to attract some good things in our life, but that is not happening. The things what happening is things we don't want. Now my friend, this is a law of attraction. Now you might have seen the video of law of attraction, or you might have read the book Secret, or you might have watched the movie Secret. Now it's a wonderful movie and wonderful book. Wonderful stories, wonderful thing. But there is one very important thing is missing. How to actually do it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Why? Because in the book and the movie, the how is not given. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal, and I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. Plus I am a certified trainer for Law of Attraction by Michael Losey, Vancouver, Canada. Now, with my so many years of experience, we have find out the missing pieces and why sometimes it works, why sometimes doesn't work. So, I am conducting a live training program on Zoom on 29th of November, 2:30 p.m. on Zoom. It was 3.5 hour to 4 hour workshop where you will learn step by step how to attract what you want in your life. Now let me tell you what you are going to learn in this workshop. The first and important thing you will learn what law of attraction is and how it works. Plus the most important thing in your law of attraction is the words. Words. When I work with the top level sportsmen, some of you may be knowing about it, the first thing I do is change the words. Our words are very, very powerful. If you're using the wrong words in your life, you're attracting the wrong things in your life. So first you will learn power of words and how to change it. That's right. Second thing you will learn, right now we are attracting things unknowingly. We start doing it deliberately. Yes, deliberate attraction. There is a 3-step formula you will learn. 3-step formula. Simple 3-step formula. Step 1, identify what you want. Most of the people don't know what they want. Second is give your desired attention. They don't know how to give an attention and they are giving attention to all the wrong things. And the most important thing, the third step is allow it to happen. Yes, we ourselves create a mental block to achieve it. Now, this 3-step formula you will learn step by step, plus you will get a lot of tools, plus the most important thing is we do everything, we do all visualization, we do all kind of things, but still it doesn't work because of your belief. If your belief is coming in between, you will learn how to change your belief so that you can achieve what you want in your life and attract what you want in your life. It may be relationship, it may be customer, it can be money, it can be health, it can be anything. I am using law of attraction regularly. I am attracting the players, the sports people I work, the person whom I want to connect, they are connecting to me automatically. This is a very, very powerful tool you learn. Plus, sometimes affirmations doesn't work. You know what we do? We visualize and do affirmations. Now visualization and affirmations, some people are doing it wrong. Affirmation doesn't work many times. You will learn a formula how to make a little change in your affirmation, so your affirmation start working immediately. Now all these things you will learn, plus you will have a 10 tools to allow, plus you will have a 3-step formula to attract more money and abundance, then improve your relationship, how to attract the right kind of people in your life. Most of the time people attract the wrong people in life and they keep doing it, become a pattern. So you will learn how to change it. Plus many more things you will learn while doing it in the workshop. It's a practical workshop, no theory. It's how to workshop, how to attract what you want in your life. Plus, now the workshop is happening on 29th of November. The registration fee for this workshop is normally 10,000 rupees, but we are doing it Zoom. Zoom means you can attend from anywhere in the world you are in. Now this workshop is happening and the fee for the workshop is normally 10,000 rupees, but right now because we are doing in Zoom, a very limited time offer, a very special discounted price, that is 2,000 plus GST, that becomes 2,360 rupees. That's all. Plus, if you register before 27th, this offer is till 27th only, you get some bonus material worth 9,000 rupees. You get 20 ebooks, plus you'll get my 4 video courses, which is very important for law of attraction. The first you will get a video on how to become more lucky, how to attract more luck in your life. Second, you will learn how to create a vision board. You heard about this vision board, you might have seen the video, read in the book. The vision board is very, very important. You will learn how to create a vision board plus 7 new exercises to attract what you want. Fourth one, daily rituals. This is a video where you will learn what are the daily things you should do to attract more of you want in your life. So my friend, this offer is also available till 27th. So my friend, after this workshop is over, once you start using these tools and learn what you learn there, you will find you start meeting right people at the right time, attracting the right relationships, attracting the more and more opportunities to make more money and become wealthy, healthy and happy. So my friend, if you want to attract what you want in your life, this is the workshop for you. So click on the link below and register right now and share with your friends and family members. And one more important thing, this is a certificate program. And if by any chance your internet is not working on there properly, I will be recording this program, will give you for a limited time and access to watch again and again. Plus many more bonus, we are going to create a WhatsApp group also. Okay, so if you really want to attract what you want life, click on the link below or call us immediately and register right now. We are taking a limited number of people there. So thank you. See you on 29th of November, 2:30 p.m. sharp. Thank you.